You are literally missing the detox genes. Forget about what version, you don't even have them.
I know. Can you believe that? Like
Yeah.
2 out of the 3, I don't even have them.
You don't have, and these are the main genes that instruct the glutathionization. So glutathionization is take toxins that are in the blood, bind glutathione, send it to the liver to metabolize and get rid of it. Everybody does this. You don't, right? At the gut, the first line of defense of the gut, horrible. In fact, I'm just going to poke and look at one thing. And now, what does that mean? It means that you are chock full of these toxins that are causing that damage to that poor quality endothelial lining. That cellular structure was not designed to deal with that level of sort of toxic insult, right? And now you have the bad quality version of it. So at the lungs, you're actually doing quite well. So your ability to deal with, airborne toxins, chemicals, mold, perfumes, whatever would give somebody like a minor headache or whatever, you don't do that. You do that quite well. Your first line of defense here is good. Once it gets in, you don't handle it well. You don't have any soldiers in the bloodstream getting rid of the stuff. It's just free flowing. Your gut lining, zero capacity. So there's no frontline soldiers there defending you. Whatever you eat that has pesticides, drying agents, any sorts of mold or chemicals gets right into your blood, and it's probably going to cause inflammatory issues to your gut, which you may have noticed with certain foods. I can't understand, why it's so
Absolutely.
bad,
This is so crazy because, I actually did a podcast a couple of weeks ago, just me talking about, why I started my podcast in the first place. And, it had to do with my mother-in-law having colon cancer. But one of the things that I went over was that right after she died from that, I took a good look at myself and I was like, something is wrong with me. And I don't know what it is. And I just happened to watch a podcast with Dr. Gundry, and that's how I found Dave Asprey. And, I was like, I've just had gut issues for forever. And until I made some massive dietary changes, it did a 180
Yeah.
just from food.
And this is why. So your gut, literally the detox capacity is zero. It's non-existent.